Okay, in this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up a comment. Let's say that your boss he took a look at this and he said, man, in June, that's usually our slow month. How is it that we still did $13,000 right there? Well, instead of going to the insert where it used to be, we want to insert, all right, a comment. But now it's under the review tab. So what you do is go to the review tab, then you come up here where it says new comment. You click on it and you start writing, and you tell your boss, this is because we included the European market. And so when you click away, you see, now the only time he would see it, because he'll get used to you doing this, you go ahead and hover over the top of it and it pops up, you see. And also, if you wanted to put more explanation in there, you click on the active cell, right click it, and you see where it says edit comment. Left click that, and now you see the handlers. Click on the corner, make sure that it has the diagonal arrow, click it and drag it. You can make it as big as you want, and you can write anything that you want on there. When you get through, click out and it disappears just like the other one. Now you hover over it, you see, and also after you've done all that, then your boss would be real happy and said you saved him a lot of time. He didn't have to go to research this. He didn't have to call someone into the office. So it's a good thing. So let's say that after he sees it, he said, oh, just get rid of the comment now that I understand. So you click on the cell, you right click, and you see where it says delete comment. Now it's gone. That's how you create a comment and you delete the comment.